Hi, my name is Liz Grout. I'm the product manager for B2Bi here at Axway, and I want to share some exciting news about a new offering for B2Bi that we just rolled out. The offering is called Enterprise Edition. Enterprise Edition is a premium package of B2Bi software options that maximizes the value customers can get from B2Bi software in terms of availability, scalability, and reliability. It supports the most robust architecture possible via options such as active-active clustering and multi-clustering, which are used with traditional software installations, and by offering a containerized version of B2Bi for customers who want to deploy in containers. Enterprise Edition is for customers who manage their own B2Bi software, on-prem, in their data center, or in the cloud. It's also for companies who need their B2B solution to be always up and available. They don't want to, or can't afford, to take it down for an operating system update, or even more importantly, for an update to their B2Bi software. It's also for customers who need to know it can handle whatever amount of data is thrown at it. And thanks to Enterprise Edition, it's easy to scale B2Bi to accommodate such changes in throughput. For many companies, B2B operations are mission critical, and they depend heavily on our software. Meanwhile, technology is constantly evolving, IT strategies change, and platforms are upgraded, and we need to accommodate those changes. Enterprise Edition provides access to the latest advancement in cloud computing, containers. We've optimized B2Bi to work as a containerized deployment so that companies investing in such architectures can take advantage of all the inherent benefits in containers and container orchestration, high availability, auto-scaling, rapid deployments and deployment automation, portability. These benefits translate to measurable business advantages, avoiding downtime for maintenance and B2Bi updates, integration with CI/CD pipelines, optimized workflow processing, a strong security posture, just to name a few. At the end of the day, Enterprise Edition is not just about containerized B2Bi, it's really about enterprise-level value. If you're not ready for containers, you can achieve some of the same benefits with active-active clustering and multi-clustering, so that the one issue that hits everyone at some point or another, something going down, becomes a moot point thanks to failover recovery. Business continuity can be assured no matter what. I'm really excited about this offering. It has something for everyone. It doesn't matter where you are on your cloud journey, where you deploy your B2B software, or whether you're taking full advantage of all the capabilities B2Bi has to offer. Axway provides the best and most modern solutions in the market. B2B has been in our blood for over 20 years, and we want to prove it to you. Check us out.